Hello everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we are going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior. I'm going to point out some major talking points and features of the exterior and of course the interior. Then I will make my way around. I'll go ahead, take a seat inside the car and just show you some of the major talking points and features in a bit more depth of the inside of the vehicle. The vehicle itself is the 420D M Sport Coupe and it is presented in the Alpine white. Alongside that, we've fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, alongside adding these very striking 20-inch 405M style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. So at the front of the vehicle, you'll see it is a 2017 plate and does also benefit from the full facelift. So we've got the very eye-catching facelift front lights, and of course I'll point out the rest of the facelift items as we go around. So with our walk-arounds, we do hope it will give you an informed purchasing decision on your next car. And of course, I do go into a bit of technical detail to, of course, help you out in that area. Moving on for our first glance at the interior, not before showing you off another addition, being in the form of the M4 style aero mirror caps. The interior for this vehicle, as you can see there, is the black Dakota leather, which comes with both the heated and the electric lumbar options, and as you can see, is just as equally nicely presented as the exterior. You'll find in the rear an Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with a centre folding armrest, and again a very nice darkened M Sport headlining, which again is all in fantastic condition. And no matter where you are sat, whether you be a driver or a passenger for the 4 Series Coupe, is an especially comfortable and spacious place to be. Moving round towards the rear of the vehicle, you'll see our extra aerofin or aero canyards, however you would like to pronounce that or say it, alongside having the gloss rear diffuser and high gloss rear spoiler, which sits very nicely on the very large luggage capacity that you'll find on the 4 Series Coupe. You also get the split folding seat option on this vehicle, along with those very nicely presented genuine BMW floor mats, which will of course accompany the vehicle. You'll also see another part of the facelift, which is these very nice LED rear lights, which again really sharpen up and make that rear end a lot more aggressive. Around towards the other side, again we'll just take a couple of seconds to appreciate how well this vehicle is presented again, and the two colours working very nicely there. And we'll take one last look at the alloy wheels before I head on inside to show you more special features of this particular 4 Series. So now I'm sat very comfortably inside the car. First thing you'll notice is we're met with this professional wide navigation and media screen. So the professional version does of course include a few more functions and features, but mainly just having that larger screen does enhance the whole purpose and your experience altogether. Starting the car up, we'll go through a couple of the features of that, there being the navigation function, which again is a very user-friendly system incorporating real-time traffic updates as well. Media wise, you've got DAB along with a wide array of other features including music collection, and also housing your external devices including AUX, USB and Bluetooth audio. As you can see there at the Bluetooth menu, you can also pair the device for Bluetooth telephone as well. And we'll head back and just take a quick glance at the main menu, which again has been facelifted to give you a nice user-friendly system, all separated into little sub-menus, which again not only is easier to use, it just looks that little bit nicer on the eye. And if we go through into my vehicle and vehicle status, you'll be able to see all of the service requirements and service history that's included for this car. Currently the next service is not due for 8,000 miles and it has covered just over 48,000 miles. As well as that superb 190 brake horsepower engine, we've also got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, alongside the cruise speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all situated on this multi-function M Sport steering wheel. And just before we finish off, we'll quickly show you the service history of this vehicle, which is of course a full BMW service history, as you can see on screen now, right from the first service, including the pre-delivery inspection service, which is not always the most vital thing, however it is of course nice to see that on the screen as well. And the last service was for the brake fluid, and the time before that will be for a full service including all of the filters, meaning should you be the next owner of the vehicle, it will just need a very basic oil and oil filter change. So I do hope you've enjoyed the walk around video and found it useful. If you do of course have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find all of the relevant contact information and of course website links to check this vehicle out in more detail down below in the description, alongside all of our funding options as well. Okay guys, thank you very much. Do of course take care. Most of all though, we do hope to see yourselves very, very soon. See you later. Thank you and goodbye.